Strap shit is shit, trap, get it quick. Breaking faith for brick, make a double like the devil did. Fuck the JSA, man, I ain't living on the penny.
Check it. YH. Alright, tell him, listen. I'm in the kitchen where the baker's baking, watching them whipping hard. I'm just wishing I can bake a cake. Feds watching from a distance on this fate estate. I stay piffing, head miffing, like I wave the face. Them other boys they move like Christian, I can bet the gate. No miffing, put that smith into a hater's face. My head's gone cause I've been drinking on some E&J. And time's money, clock ticking, call me Flavor Flav. See every day I pray, I don't see the prison or a jailer's face. Freedom's a must, I hope it stays that way. Make girls bust and call me babes. But the minute they find out I fuck other girls, they start call me names. But I'm a humble brain, mostly keep the gun on waist. On my paper chase, you got me spitting on the one away. Or me, I'm in the kitchen with the baker's bacon, watching them whipping hard. I'm just wishing I could bake a cake. You're welcome to come through and go missing. My state's a maze, feds caught me slipping. I was pissing on the pagan's grave. But anyway, me, I made a great escape. Beefing ain't nothing, I'll milk cows to make them shake. So find the genie, keep wishing you can make me pay. What goes around, comes around, I'll come around. Every day I'll be strapped up on your estate. I'll rise up and make it spray. Man, I have your niggas spinning, call him Johan Blade. Man, call me bold, call me great. I'm due to win the race. The early bird gets the worm, you can never call me late. I keep the money in the pocket like a baby A. See, even them girls march with on April, May. Raise and put that turner to a pagan's face. Then it's murder, 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 call it SUK. My dog, we stay meeting, you should stay away. Hey, me, I'm in the kitchen where the baker's bake. I'm watching them whipping hard, I'm just wishing I could bake a cake. Trigger finger itching, dog, I dare you make my day. I'll catch you sleeping, you'll be lucky if you get away. And if so, then I will catch you on a later day. Nowadays, I'm hearing rumors when they say my name. Man, them talkers stay speaking, I erase their claims. I caught a case, hit the papers, I was named in shame. Man, they even tried to dip me, but I bust my case. So if I'm not in the kitchen where the baker's bake, I'm looking down on niggas while I'm spitting, I'll be up on stage. Man, I have that DJ mixing what I tell him play. Some big that can stinky piffing on some grey. Hey, my addiction is getting paid, so every day you find me flipping, yeah, put it in the pot, mix it, what you getting skate. They ring it, they need a slave. Man, they straight out the kitchen with the baker's bake and learn how to whip it hard. And now I'm baking cakes around whips and chains. I have you thinking of Kunta Kente's days. Dog, I grind hard, I stay a slave. And they wonder while I'm full of rage. These niggas want me sinking while I elevate. Sleep's the cousin of death, so I stay awake. Plus them bitches are like sour grapes. My dog, I've been thinking for an hour straight. Listen, I'm missing my brother Jay. No homo, I love him, it's bait. And wouldn't mind if me and his life were replaced. I'll do anything just to see his face. Up in his kitchen when the baker's bake. On the day that someone come home and we all celebrate. For Jay, I'll be a felon to the end of days. No way will my melon never forget you, Jay. Last words I have to say is rest in peace. YH.